Hello, I'm Masterchef Tim, and you're watching Masterchef Tim. Today on Masterchef Tim, I'm going to be teaching you how to make dried bananas. So probably the most important ingredient in this recipe is bananas. So the first step you want to do when you're making dried bananas is cut the bananas. So I make a series of incisions all the way along the banana. So you want to just keep going all the way down the banana until it's completely cut. You want to be very careful you don't cut anything other than the banana. So you cut your fingers, anything like that. See, that's not good because it takes away from the flavor of the dried banana when it's all done. So we want to be very careful that we only cut the banana. So now, if you're a richer member of society, maybe a neurosurgeon or Donald Trump's divorce lawyer, and you can afford to throw away perfectly good food, what you can actually do is you can peel the skin off of these bananas for extra flavor. I don't know why you'd want to do that, but if you're a wealthier individual, I suppose you could. So we're going to keep going with this, and once I've finished peeling all of these bananas, we'll come back and I'll show you the next step. Okay, so I'm back here with my banana dryer. So I'm just going to show you a few of the settings that you need to know before you get started. So the first one is temperature. You have low, medium, regular, and air fluff. Because this is a bit more of a beginner video, we're just going to stick with regular. Your next option is extended wrinkle out, and you can set that to on or off. I like a bit more wrinkle in my bananas, so I'm going to set that to off. The final option you have is between off, soft, and loud. I don't really know what a loud banana is, so I just set that setting to off. Okay, so once you have your settings ready, we're just going to put our bananas in there, and then the final step that you need to do is just remove the lint. So I just like to take that all out before I start up the cycle. Now, there's no real reason for doing that. I'm just worried about health inspectors. So now we're going to set it to 60 minutes. You can start thinking about how overrated Chef Gordon Ramsay is, and we'll come back when they're done. Alright, so that's been a very thought-provoking hour, and now it's time to check on our bananas. Let's see how they turned out. Oh, they're looking good. There you have it. Let's give it a try. You can really taste the banana in this recipe. These are dried bananas. I'm Master Chef Tim, and you're welcome.